This AI website will blow your mind. Go to Google Chrome. Search DALL-E 2. Click on Open DALL-E 2. Sign up using your Google account and phone number. Enter the OTP to verify the number. Now start creating. For example, horse fighting with lion. Click on Generate. It will show you pictures of horses fighting and eating lion. Let's see another example. Man crying in space. It will show you funny image of man crying in the space. Let's see another example. Cat eating dog. It will show you images of cat eating dog. I hope this AI sounds you funny and make your time worth.